Have you ever pondered over the mysteries of Jagannath Puri? What secrets does this ancient temple hold? Welcome to our journey into the heart of these enigmas, where science grapples with faith and history intertwines with the inexplicable. From flags that flutter against the wind, to a temple that casts no shadow, to a divine feast that defies the laws of cooking, to a chakra that always faces the observer, and a sea breeze that flows against nature. Stay tuned as we unravel the fascinating mysteries of Jagannath Puri. The first mystery we encounter is the flag atop the temple, which flutters in a direction opposite to the wind. This enigma has puzzled observers for generations. The flag atop the Jagannath temple doesn't just sway gently, oh no, it flutters with purpose, with intent. But here's the catch, it dances in a direction opposite to the wind. Now you might wonder, how is this possible? Wind is, after all, the maestro conducting the symphony of flags. Well, you're not alone in your curiosity. Scientists, historians, priests, and even the local townsfolk have tried to decipher this peculiar phenomenon. Some suggest it's an architectural marvel, while others whisper of divine intervention. But alas, a concrete scientific explanation still eludes us. After all, how can a flag defy the very force that gives it life? The wind. So the mystery remains, why does the flag defy the wind? Moving on, we come across the temple that casts no shadow, a puzzle that baffles both historians and scientists alike. Imagine a structure standing tall under the sun, yet refusing to cast a shadow regardless of the time of day. This is not a tale spun out of thin air, but a reality that can be observed at the Jagannath temple in Puri. With the sun rising in the east and setting in the west, one would expect shadows to play their usual dance around the temple. But no, the temple, in its majestic grandeur, seems to defy the norms of science and nature. It stands there, a silent sentinel, untouched by the shifting shades of the day. Some argue that this could be an architectural marvel. Others call it a divine miracle. The truth, however, remains shrouded in mystery and speculation. Thus, the temple stays shadowless, adding another layer to our enigma. Next, we delve into the mystery of the Mahaprasad, a divine meal cooked in a way that defies logic. This is not your everyday cooking riddle. Inside the sacred walls of the Jagannath Puri temple, thousands of priests prepare this holy feast, using a method that bewilders even the most seasoned chefs. The food is cooked in earthen pots, 7 to be exact, stacked one on top of the other. But here's where it gets interesting. The food in the topmost pot cooks first, followed by the second, then the third, all the way down to the 7th. This, despite the fire being at the bottom. This cooking enigma has left scientists, historians, and even the temple's priests scratching their heads. Despite countless attempts to unravel this puzzle, no satisfactory explanation has been found. The Mahaprasad refuses to give up its secrets, cooking in a peculiar order that contradicts what we know about heat and cooking. And so the Mahaprasad continues to cook in its mysterious ways. Our final mysteries lead us to the top of the temple and the shores of Puri. At the temple's pinnacle, there rests a wheel of fortune, or chakra, a monument of enigma that weighs about a ton. What's fascinating about this chakra isn't just its formidable presence, but its peculiar behavior. You see, no matter where you stand in Puri, no matter how far or at what height, the chakra always seems to face you. It's as if the chakra has a life of its own, silently observing every observer. And the mystery thickens when we ponder how people in the 12th century managed to hoist such a heavy chakra to the top of the temple. Now, let us journey from the temple's peak to Puri's coastline. The sea breeze here doesn't abide by the usual rules. In most coastal regions, during the day, the breeze blows from the sea towards the land, and during evening hours, it reverses, blowing from the land towards the sea. But in Puri, nature has its own rhythm. The sea breeze here operates in reverse, defying the usual pattern. It's a phenomenon that has left scientists scratching their heads. With these mysteries, the enigma of Jagannath Puri deepens, leaving us in awe of its mystical charm. So there you have it, the captivating mysteries of Jagannath Puri. From the flag that defies the wind, to the temple that casts no shadow, to the puzzling cooking methods of the Mahaprasad, the self-facing chakra, and the reverse sea breeze. Each mystery, a fascinating riddle steeped in history and tradition, defies explanation. Till science can provide answers, these mysteries will continue to make Jagannath Puri a place of wonder and intrigue. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery.